how to find Watch Later playlist on YouTube. To get started, go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. As you can see, you're now in the YouTube homepage. From here, you can explore and watch YouTube videos. Scroll down and tap on any video that you want to watch. If you want to save this video to your Watch Later playlist on YouTube, then tap on the Save button present below the video. This video is now successfully saved to the Watch Later playlist. Now go back to the home page. Then go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. This is your YouTube profile page. Here, you can view your playlists, watch history, downloads, etc. Now, go to the playlist section and open the Watch Later playlist. You can now view all the videos that are saved in this playlist. You can tap on Play All to play the videos one after the other, or you can also shuffle the videos if you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.